What's up everyone, welcome back to Yuzi's channel. This is your Asian boyfriend, Chubby Yuzi. Today's video is going to be me creating a summer inspired soft boy look. I'm going to use these two new products that I just received from 3CE. They're from the new Clear collection. This is the multi-eye color palette. This is the second eye palette I purchased from 3CE. I'm very excited to try it on, and I also just ordered a blusher. This is called 3CE Blush Blusher. So I ordered this color in Double Think. It's slightly darker than what I would usually do. I thought it would be interesting to use this blush as a contour. Yeah, without further ado, let's get right into this look. Just to get the hair out of the way, by the way, this is a very different setting. I mean, usually I'll film in my little bathroom, but today I'm not feeling like it. I really like my natural light in the living room. So start with a little bit of primer. I'm going to use this Beauty Sheer Fluid Veil from PEAU, and then this is my go-to primer. Next, following with the same foundation from PEAU. This is the Radiant Fluid Foundation in a color 10. It's really pretty outside right now. I wish I could go out, but it's like super hot. And I feel like I'm going to melt under the sun. So like ever since the beginning of quarantine, I mean almost like the beginning of my summer vacation, I was like, oh, I'm gonna do a lot of exercise while being at home because I have nothing to do, right? But then, you know, I got lazy and I didn't do much. So the local gym I used to sign up, they reopened recently, and then they start charging me. And I was like, wait, without me giving you the consent to take my money, right? But then I thought like, oh wait, maybe that's a sign that I should go visit the gym and do some actual exercise. But then I asked a couple friends and they're like, oh my god, it's so dangerous to go back to the gym. You know, you never know what's gonna happen. And I was like, you're completely right. Thank you for giving me one more reason to be lazy. So I've been like doing a little bit push-up at home. Oh, by the way, this is the primer. I'm sorry. This is the concealer I always use. It's from NARS, the Radiant Creamy Concealer. So I was like, you know, should I go? Should I not go? Because it is expensive. I don't know how much your gym cost. It's probably different, but my gym costs roughly like $90 for me to just go and, you know, do some basic exercise. I mean, they have really good equipment, but you know, I'm not a gym pro, so a lot of the time, if I go to the gym, I don't know what to do. I used to watch a ton of YouTube video, and I'm also that kind of person that, you know, I'm like, I really want a body, but I'm like too cheap to hire a personal trainer because in the gym I go to, per session is like 1 hour, and that's like $80. You know, and I also feel like if I just hire a trainer for one session or so, it's probably not gonna help much, right? So yeah, just gonna wait and see. Probably have to call them back to cancel my gym membership because honestly, I'm really not comfortable with going back to the gym right now. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm the kind of person that if I get a lot of sleep, and I'll gain weight. I know, right? So on the opposite, if I'm not sleeping well, I lose a lot of weight. So recently I've been like trying to control my sleep time. Definitely not sleep more than 9 hours. Let's do eyebrow. Fenty Beauty eyebrow pencil in the black color. Just gonna brush it first. By the way, I've been thinking about doing some unboxing videos with you guys because I ordered so much recently. So after brushing, I'm going to use the pen side to fill in the blanks of my brows. And honestly, when you're feeling it, oh my god, my brows looks ridiculous. But when you're trying to do eyebrows, you really don't need to fill in like all the gaps. You can just draw, paint, and then use this brush to brush it out, to soften it up. I don't know where you guys are, but I'm located in Baltimore and a lot of the business are now opened. So I was like, wait, should I go travel? You know, like every day there's still a lot of people are getting sick. And I was like, oh, do I want to go home? Do I want to go back to China for a little bit? You guys are not going to believe, if you don't know, the ticket, it's so expensive. An economy class ticket to go back home is like, wow, it's like $7,000 one way. I know, it's crazy. For economy class, normally a business class one way would be like 4,000. So it's like impossible unless I'm like desperate to go home. Especially my school is not finished. Like eventually I'll have to come back because I know there's conversation about opening the school when it's September, but then like deep down I feel like if it's dangerous for me to attend class in person, I probably would love to have the option to be, you know, to be able to take the remote online version of the same class. And I definitely think, you know, tuition should go down because, you know, I understand school are probably spending money to create that safe environment, you know, by purchasing, I don't know, masks and, you know, just to make the environment more safe and to sanitize everything. But then I also feel like this is just too much for a lot of people who doesn't have a lot of money, you know. There might be people who are part-time students who lost their jobs, right? While attending the school or being in school. It's just unfair to right now asking for more money. And yeah, just let us finish our school first, right? Let us get through this. Okay, enough talking. So I've done my foundation, done the concealer, eyebrows are done. And I feel like right now it's time to open up my package. So usually I would love to do contour, following my brows. And I think I'm gonna use this blush. As I mentioned, this is double thing. There's a little sticker. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Wow, you guys, I'm surprised. I mean, I'm not surprised because I saw the package on the website, but it feels really heavy. This is something I really love a brand does, which is, you know, to really seal their makeup and to make sure that nobody, you know, just to show you guys nobody has touched it before you. Okay, now it's open and there's even a little plastic wrap. I like how the brush is actually kind of matching the color of it and it feels really nice. So let's try. I mean, as always, their product is very powdery, like very loose. Oof, I'm getting into my coffee. Pretending this is contour. I'm going to apply it right here. So I also applied some blush on the middle of my nose. I think it looks really cute. Definitely recommend this product for you guys, especially for the summertime if you want to look slightly tanned. This is really good color to even use as contour. Now let's open the eyeshadow palette. Give this a look. It's really pretty color. I'm gonna open the seal as well. I'm going to use this slightly thicker brush and then go for this color first as the base. It is a pale pink with silver glitter in it. It's really pretty. Oh my god! You guys see? Next, let's use this one. The slightly more red one has golden glitter in it, and then there's definitely color in it, there's pigment in it, there's glitter in it, and it's definitely blendable. So, you know, before anything else, I really want to dive into this one. You guys, this color is no joke. Especially when you grab it with a dark color brush, you're probably not going to see it on your brush, but then after you put it on your eyes. Oh my god, I've already used a lot of pink. I'm going to use this one first. You guys, can you see it? It's so pretty. It's got a mixture of pink, silver, and gold glitter in it. Oh my god, I feel like I'm from the galaxy, I'm from the universe or something. Now I'm going to use this kind of small little tiny brush. Let's try this one right here. Trying to grab. This is so much color. Pigment. Okay. Gotta close this. I'm like shocked, you guys. Wow. I mean, do I like it? For sure. Try to use the gold one. Wow. There's a lot of product. I want to do right here. You guys, I'm very impressed. Honestly, I love glitter, but this palette is insane. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. I feel like even Jeffree Star would love this, although we know that K-beauty products are more on the subtle and soft side, but this is very insane. So I thought, you know what, I probably don't even need highlight right now, but just want to show you guys. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bond, the second edition, and then going to apply it on the nose. So hopefully you guys can tell the difference between Fenty and 3CE. I mean, okay, to wrap up everything, I'm going to apply some eyeliner from 3CE in the brown color. Okay, I think this is all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe to Chubby Juicy's channel. I promise you guys that I will bring you guys a lot more fun videos. And comment down below if you have anything to say. I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Subscribe right here. Click the like down there.
Ever since the day that you went away.